Welcome to channel Happy Mapping, channel for mappers to learn GIS and remote sensing. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to doing a method. We call it enhanced build-up and burners index. So our content today consists of the introductions, and the second one is the formula. Last but not least is the reference. So first we go to the introductions about our tutorial today. So what is the enhanced build-up and burners index? Basically, this method how to analyze the build-up and the burners area. So the enhanced build-up and burners index is able to map and distinguish between build-up and burners area. This method mapping result compared to the result of other remote sensing indices such as normalized different build-up index, index-based build-up index, urban index, normalized different burners index, and burn soil index is much better in identifying the build-up and burn area. As a result, the enhanced build-up and burners index is a remote sensing index that applies wavelength of 0.83 μm, 1.65 μm, and 11.45 μm, or in the terms of band of Landsat 8 or LTRS, we call it near infrared, short wave, and thermal infrared respectively. So the next, the near wavelength, which correspond to band 5 as I mentioned before, and band 9 is a short wave, is associated with a high contrast level for detecting the build-up and the burn area. So band 5 and band 6 is really good to detect the build-up and the burn land areas, while the thermal infrared or band 11 can distinguish high and low levels of albedo in build-up objects. The utilization of thermal infrared channels is a very effective for mapping build-up area based on the low albedo, which eliminates the effect of shadow and water, while a high albedo demonstrates build-up and burn areas clearly. So, as a conclusion, the combinations of near infrared and short wave and thermal infrared from Landsat, which is band 5, 6, and 11 wavelength, make it possible to improve the mapping method for build-up and burn area relatively to previously existing remote sensing incidents. We can conclude that this is the best method to mapping the build-up and burn area when we compare with other remote sensing incidents. So this is about the formula. As I mentioned before, that the formula is short wave infrared minus near infrared, and then we divide it, and then 10 square root short wave plus thermal infrared or band 11. So there are 3 bands we need here. We need band 5, we need band 6, and we need band 11. And then this is the reference. If you, for example, want to learn more about this method, you can visit these journals, which is written by Ashakur and friends, and then this reference is really complete to explain about this enhanced build-up and burners index. And then last but not least, you can see the Lancet bands, and then you can try to find the formula. So after we know everything about this method, and now we go to the analysis, or we open the RMap. So here I have 3 bands, band 5, 6, and 11. So all of these bands I would like to analyze in order to find the enhanced build-up and burners index. So we go to the source, and then we type raster calculator, and then we enter, and then we find this. Go to the raster calculator spatial analysis, and you may double click, and then this is the raster calculator, and then now we type the formula. As I mentioned before, we need band 6 and minus, and then we need band 5, and then we divide, and then 10 multiple, and then we find the square root, and then band 6 plus band 11. And then for the output raster, I didn't change the location, I just changed the name. The name is enhanced build-up burners index, and then I go to OK, and then the process is running, and we wait for. I close this, and then I hide this, all of the band 5, 6, and 11. So you can see the value is negative and positive. So first I would like to make it the colorant in order to classify the, so I choose this, and then you can apply it. And now you can see the height value correspond to the build-up area. You can see this is the build-up area, and then the yellow one, like this here, the yellow one correspond to burners land or open land, while the blue one, or the low value, or the minus, is the vegetations. So you can see this. Okay, this is a very simple analysis, but the result is very amazing. We can easy to map the build-up area and the burners area in order to find the best result. And for me, this is one of the best method in order to detecting and mapping the build-up index and the burners index. So that's for all. Thank you very much for following this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and see you for the next video tutorial, and stay tuned.